Hello, back again with this weapon here, testing it out at a different place this time. This is the Handsome Jackhammer, drops from Handsome Jackie. Truly a forgettable weapon. Um,
When did you
it's
eat that?
whatever. Uh, this gun, pretty much all it does is it has the shield like every Hyperion weapon, but also bounces up and down, explodes, and shoots. Also has a very annoying feature. This is a talking gun. This weapon talks, plays Handsome Jack quotes randomly. He doesn't say Handsome Jack stuff or like handsome his name, but he says, "I have your gun here. It's terrible." Skin's pretty good though. I like the skin. I like the look of this weapon. It's just, yeah. Also, fairly underwhelming damage. I wish I had. I'm probably gonna start getting purple equivalents of these weapons, like whatever the base Hyperion purple SMG is for testing on this. But we're gonna test this against Gigamind and his weird Gigamind rather. I don't know what I said there. And his enemies or his allies.
I hear you, beast!
So, I mean, it's not. Let's try it out against this random enemy here. You know, honestly, not bad. I mean, this is definitely not a boss killer, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. This is probably... Okay, still enemies. Ah, no, they're dead. This is probably like I would say the only legend, or one of the only legendaries, there's a few others, that I've never actually gotten a drop from the person that drops it. Like I've never farmed Handsome Jackie for this weapon. But, well, because this weapon, it did decent iron, but this weapon's not good. Um, but I would say, from that little test there, it's more of it takes a lot of ammo just to kill these group of people. Like, and I know that was a boss, but that's a super easy boss, and to have that still take this much ammo, and it sucks as a gun. That reload though, not bad. I don't know what the bullets are supposed to do though, because I don't feel like they're gonna hit anything. Um, but you know, I, 1 to 10, I would say that this is about another 5, maybe a 6, maybe with a better anointment. Yeah, you know, maybe this anointment was actually pretty good for what I just used it for against bosses because it has the actions while action skill is active, deals 75% more damage to named enemies and bosses. So you know, decent. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a 5, maybe 6 if you have like a 3/90 or you red anointment. I definitely think this weapon definitely not very good though, but you know, it's probably better than the Skexel, I would say. So that's that's this weapon. Another one down.
Coming in, it's handsome, baby!
Haha, there was the quote. There will be another one. I don't know what it will be, but it'll be another crappy gun probably. Or maybe I'll splice in a really, really good one. I don't know. It's probably gonna be crap though. But there will be another one probably.